Best Way Auto Upholstery presents Land Rover Defender 90, 1997. Interior and exterior restoration. Land Rovers from 90th are so popular today, especially in the USA. This Defender 90 is a great example of complete exterior and interior restoration. Firstly, we prepared this car for paint restoration process and removed all small details. Here you go, a brand new body paint. The next step is interior restoration. Here at Best Way Auto Upholstery, we specialize on British cars like Rolls Royce, Bentley and Land Rovers. Well, this Defender needs some love. We are setting up a special anti-road noise and anti-heating material. Also, we add some padding. JBL audio system installation and dozen of speakers will bring some music here. Let's see results. A whole new interior, including front seats, door panels, console panel, sunroof and headliner. Clean and neat at the back as well. The restored interior of this Land Rover looks like new. Let's check exterior and interior one more time. If you are looking for a place where to restore your car interior, Best Way is a #1 auto upholstery in Los Angeles.